we at Schmiedmann aspire to making it cheaper and easier to own a BMW. We know that's a common fault in the BMW F-series with its electronic power steering, that the bushing holding the pinions in place in the electronic steering rack causes backlash. Instead of letting BMW owners worldwide pay big bucks, upwards of 5,000 euros for a complete new steering rack, we offer a repair kit. Let's go to the workshop and see how fast and easy the repair kit is installed once the unit is out of the car. Let's have a look.